Hey everyone, Kathy here, and I'm super excited to talk to you about the most powerful feature High Level has to offer, and that is snapshots. So a snapshot is being able to take a snapshot of one sub account and be able to load that same snapshot into multiple sub accounts and share it even outside to another high level user. So you spent hours, weeks, maybe even months creating this account for this one customer that could be a plumber, a realtor, in the restaurant business, a salon, you name it. Every time you add a new sub account, you basically start from scratch. You have an option to load in a system snapshot, or we create our own. It's specific to that niche industry, that niche business. Could be for a plumber, a realtor. It's for a specific industry. And let's say you've created that perfect restaurant snapshot. They're loving it. The pipeline, the calendars, the funnels, the websites, the email templates, everything is in there and it's working perfectly. Then another customer comes along who's in that same industry. What do? You're going to create a sub account and you're going to build that sub account for them. What if I told you there was a way to systematize your business and create a snapshot from the first account you created and use it to every single sub account you bring on within that industry? In this video, I'm going to show you how using snapshots, a super powerful tool for your agency. I'm going to show you how to create, share, and update a snapshot inside of High Level. So let's jump in. The first place that you want to go is inside of your agency account. And when you jump into your agency account, you're going to see a tab that says Account Snapshot. When you click on Account Snapshot, this is where you'll see My Snapshots, maybe imported snapshots, shared snapshots, and snapshot templates. I talked earlier about system snapshot templates, and that's where these are. Let's say I created a specific account. Maybe it was for a restaurant. I'm going to go to my sub accounts. In this case, we'll use the Master Small Business Snapshot. And what I want to do is I want to create a snapshot of this account. So once you have selected which account that's completed and you're ready to create that snapshot, and you're going to come over here to the Create New Snapshot. When you select Create New, we want to give it a name. I recommend creating a master snapshot for any specific industry or any specific business. We're going to create a snapshot, and I'm going to call it Master Small Business. And what we're looking for is we're looking for the account that houses all of the assets that I want to create a snapshot of. So once I select that account and I hit Save, you'll see we've got Master Small Business. Well, this may take a little bit because it's going to be capturing everything that's in there. It's going to take a little bit of time to pull because it's pulling all of your custom fields, your custom values, your forms, surveys, any SMS and email template snippets you've created, any custom email templates you created, any pipelines, calendars, tags, folders, funnels. It's also going to be pulling from membership products and offers, workflows, funnels and websites, custom sections. So it may take a little bit before it loads. Once it loads, you're going to see the Master Small Business was loaded. So you'll see right here, My Snapshots. You'll see Master Small Business. The Master Small Business was the sub account it was created on, and the last update was here. Now that we've created a snapshot, it's time to share it. But before we share it, let's say I made an update to the sub account. Right over here, you can refresh the snapshot. So let's say I went into the sub account that I just created from and did an update. Here, you can refresh the snapshot so it brings it into your master snapshot. You'll see some cool things you can do, like create a new account from here, refresh a snapshot, push an update when you link it to other locations. And then right here, when you click the three dots, you can see edit snapshot, copy snapshot, share snapshot, or delete snapshot. So there's a lot you can do. So let's talk about sharing the snapshot. I can come over here and I can either create a new account by sharing the snapshot, by just creating a brand new account, or maybe I want to load this into a previous account. So if I go into my sub accounts and I look for, let's say, a new customer, all you've got to do is just select the new customer. So once you select the new sub account, you can easily come over here to Actions and select Load Snapshot. What you're looking for is the snapshot you just created. We just created a Master Small Business snapshot. Once you've selected the snapshot that you just created and the account that you're ready to load into, then you can proceed. What's great about this is that you can skip or you can select all when it comes to different elements of the software. Maybe in this sub account, they have their own calendars that you just created. So you don't need to upload all the calendars. You can go ahead and skip that section. Let's say you've already created your own custom fields specifically for them. You can skip that section. You can see right here what it loads: calendars, custom fields, custom values, email builder templates, forms, funnels and websites, trigger links, membership offers, pipelines, review setting, section templates, surveys, tags, calendars and groups, text and email templates. These are your snippets, and of course your workflow. So without having to create this hard work over and over again, you can go through each of these and select which ones that you want to upload for specific accounts. Could you imagine having to recreate all of this from scratch? Once you've completed selecting all of the items, if it's select all or you've decided to skip, then you're going to click Proceed. Once you click Proceed, it's going to bring everything from that snapshot into the new sub account. So once you've created it, there's several ways that you can share. You can share it by creating a new account right from here. When you create a new account, it'll bring that snapshot in. It'll also allow you to share the snapshot here as well. When you select share, there's a few different options that you can use. One is to get a one-time share link, meaning they only have access to that one link. An email share link, where you can email the share. A permanent link, which means that link can be shared over and over and over again. An agency restricted link, which is really cool because you can add an agency relationship number in here if you're specifically sharing to other high-level account users, other agencies. So you can restrict it where only these agencies have access to that link. You can also get a sub-account restricted link by adding the sub-account. The other great thing, if you're on the SaaS Pro plan, is in the SaaS configurator. You can also attach a snapshot inside your SaaS configurator, making it easy to add snapshots as they purchase their SaaS Pro plans. Let's go ahead and talk about update. So once you have your snapshot created in your sub account and you've shared it, now we can talk about updating your snapshot. So in order to update the snapshot, first we've got to find it. What we want to do is we want to select search and then type in the name of the snapshot, and there you have it. It's easy to find using the search button. How do you update the snapshot? Well, if you go into the original account and let's say you added a new email or maybe even a new funnel. So you'll go to that snapshot that we just created of that account. And what we're going to do is we're going to select Refresh Snapshot. Refreshing the snapshot allows us to refresh that original sub account and bring it right into our master snapshot. So you can always be working in the original account that you took the snapshot in and make easy, quick updates by just clicking the refresh. The other ways to edit a snapshot is you can edit the name of the snapshot, or you can even delete the snapshot. So we can refresh the snapshot, we can delete the snapshot, we can also edit the name of the snapshot. The other thing is if you've shared this snapshot, you can also push the update to any linked accounts. So when you select push, if you had any linked accounts here, all you got to do is select the accounts you want. You can skip specific things, select all, and then push that same snapshot out by selecting the specific elements that I want to push into the other sub accounts. So a quick recap, the first thing that you want to do is find the sub account that you want to create a snapshot of. We go into account snapshots, select create new, give it a name, select the account of the snapshot that you're wanting to create, and create. Once you've completed creating the snapshot, the greatest thing after this is refreshing the snapshot, sharing the snapshot, editing the snapshot name, copying the snapshot, sharing the snapshot, or deleting the snapshot. And then finally, adding it to your SaaS configurator to share every time somebody signs up so it automatically will load the snapshot for you. And don't forget, you can always manage your snapshots right inside your agency. When you log in, just look for the account snapshots. And that's how easy it is to use high-level snapshot feature. So powerful to help you systematize your business. So what are you waiting for? Let's go create your snapshot.